Look at the big fat animals.
Hey.
But they are. Look at them.
I thought you were recording us.
Oh. Emma.
I thought you started the recording.
It's so little. Look. What a pet, Molly. It's so soft. Oh look, the baby's picking mum. Got its own slide. Oh, that one went for a ride. Oh, it's so smelly. Emma said this baby looks really offended. It's just his look. We love the markings of this one. So cute. What are you looking at, Nathan? What is that, Molly?
That's gross, that's what that is.
That's delicious.
Oh, I'm not sure about that. I don't like that. Oh, I like the fire though.
Look at the one. Look at the one.
The fire's warm.
That one's pretty cool. It's rips.
That is pretty cool.
Going like tentacles.
It looks good.
I don't like the look of that.
It looks good.
I say, how much is it, Nathan?
So let's go to the demonstrator. It is about
Gotta face this way.
$144,570.
Only 400. Yeah. So dreams are free.
It's a tiny freaking house. So when Shane's in the dog box, he's got somewhere to sleep. Yeah.
Yeah. See, sorry, no children on the boat.
So Mom thought this was a sauna, but it's a bed. It's got a bed in
Nordic
there.
signature
Do
barrel.
saunas have beds?
It's taking glamping to the next level. It actually is a glamping pod. Okay, I thought it was a sauna. Look, you got your own wee area, and then oh,
It's a Nordic Viking barrel.
It's a Nordic signature barrel.
is this your new bedroom? We can put this in the backyard.
Oh, Mum, look, glasses for you.
Emma, you want your own outside bedroom?
No.
You don't? This is cool.
This is open.
Kit set. No, I could build it.
Leg rests. You have a growing collection of leg rests.
It's cute. I'll move out here.
Collection of
This guy's got the biggest horns I've ever seen. How are we gonna see this wood?
You like that one?
I've never seen horns that big on a goat. That's insane.
Oh, they're cute and fuzzy. He's like, get off.
He's the biggest fish ever.
He's snoring.
Yep. That was me.
Big feet and little bodies. Yeah.
I'm surprised the parents aren't trying to attack.
Now the parents know they're safe.
Oh, do you see that? Someone had liquid poo-poo. Oh, you didn't get it on video.
No, we don't need the liquid poo on video.
You should do. Sit in the chair and get a sandy butt. But you're so cute. Very gooby. I can see.
around this side. Look how much good.
Molly, are you driving?
Because it's a two-seater.
You are?
Because it's a two-seater car. Look how much I got for my leg room.
Lots of leg room for you.
It's nice. It's really comfortable. This is a bean car. It's not the right color, but it's the same type.
So, yeah, they're quiet.
Whoa! Whoa! Damn! But they're quite fast too. Whoa! That's crazy. I've heard that these ends can go about 300 and something.
Only helicopter this morning. That's a passive. Wow.
What?
Oh, it cut the.
I was going to say,
It cut the thing.
I heard it hit something. It's still going. Wow, and it's really windy. But again, this drone's still going. Look at the backwards bike. Oh, look at the hand bikes, Molly. Nathan's not getting the hang of that. The big chopper bike.
Chopper bike.
There he's going, look. He's on it. Go, Nathan.
Oh my god, look at that. It's a crab bike.
Woo!
Did you see the crab bike?
Oh!
He's trying to show off.
Hey, you're about to crash.
I am in the video. Oh god, mum, be
Video what you're in?
A wheelchair. You can't record it. I'm gonna. My backpack's too fat. Hey, you're not a good driver. I want to get out, Mum. You're scaring me. I'll be a better driver than you. Sweet.
Ah! She nearly tipped me out.
Maybe it's because your feet heavy.
Stop! Mario! Let me try this. Sit on it. Hey, Mom! No! Come here! This is my good bike.
Go, Molly!
This is the bike I like.
Okay.
He's flapping his feet.
Right, that's it.
Hey, good one, Molly.
Okay, ready? I'm just gonna slam on the brakes and jump off.
Woohoo!
1, 4.
Crazy how fast mini cars can go, right?
What are we about to do?
So I wasn't expecting this. I'm really nervous about like a butterfly in my stomach. We're about to ride on a helicopter for my first time. That white one right there, that's what I'm pointing at. Right out there. That one. That's the one we're gonna ride on. Yup. We're gonna get to fly over our house. So Grandma, keep a lookout.
we drink, I'm going to show you some of my really fancy ones, because my name is Melanie Poppins, but I'm a bit like Mary Poppins, you see. So after that, well, that's a bit sneaky, isn't it? I better just have a nice drink of water. Oh, my mic's in the way. Have a little drink. Cheers. Can you give it a big clap, everyone? Now, I've just got back here. And remember, I've got a very amazing. And all you need is a picture of whatever you like, and you can make it for real. Now, the only thing to eat on the island were coconuts. And I said, what's your favourite food? Now, what have I got a picture of in my magic book, children? Broccoli! All the way in the back. Well done. So all we have to do is tap it 3 times, and we can make some broccoli. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra. I love Bingo and Bluey. Well, my kids love Bingo and Bluey, and so we've named our bunnies and our puppies Bluey, and we're going to do a wee magic trick with Bluey today. So he's going to hop into your hand. Hop, hop, hop. Now, can you squeeze him really tight and hold your arms straight like that, Tiger? Really.
It's an Eiffel Tower.
It's ice cream free.
What? It's not even December. It says right here.
How did it feel, Molly? Is it soft?
99% of this video is just going to be me eating my hair. Every time you see me, I'm going to be like...
And me too. But you can't see me, I'm behind it.
You're bald, secretly.
Time to 3. Cheers, set, go. Another 6 shears, another 6 sheep, all line correspondent top 12. I'm going to say goodbye to 6 of these shears. And these guys don't want to be there. Kelly's out on stand number 1 for all body. They give it much way down the first one. They got down the line and into the top there. On stand number 5. That's where the face is going to come from. Up there, Nicky Snatch. To the race here, around the back of that comes Nathan Stratford, William Skilling. Stand 6 and stand 1. Top of the head comes off Casey Bailey and Alex Smith. Casey on 4, Alex on 3. Long full marker on stand number 2. Around the back of the head we roll. That's Gavin Hutchins. He steps across the long road, wraps it around his left knee and turns the home. Cheek comes off. Down on the last front shoulder of Ryan Scotsman on stand number 5. Around comes Nathan Stratford. Turns the home as well. Around comes Willie Skilling and Casey Bailey. Another shot, they both turned for home together. Willie seems to be a kick in a riddle. You're going to do a bit better than that, get better than that, man. I'll tell you what. While Willie goes Nathan Stratford. Out on the wall is sheet number 2, there's Casey Bailey for 2. While Willie there is in the 2 as well. Down the last side, long Tomato and Alex Smith together. Local road, they're working over on the hind leg. So, Willie gets good. There's one here, sheet number 2, just as Alex Smith lets that one go along with Tomato. Especially considering the season ahead up here. Over the tail. And given much less than one slide out the hole, he's in for 3. 2 minutes and 33 seconds gone on the clock. Ladies and gentlemen, as given much wiped the wall off the front sock, and he's away down the valley on sheet number 3. Roll your card over there, Stan. Thank you. Nathan Stratford. Way out towards the toe on the hind leg.
Farmyard frizzled chicken.
Look how fluffed up it is.
He's kind of cool.
Stick his head out the cage.
Hi.
Massive chicken, by the way.
It's a rooster.
Ooh, same thing. Show the size comparison compared to Dad.
It is. It's the best import.
You are gorgeous.
He's a pretty
You
boy.
are one handsome boy.
Pretty
He
boy.
may take the camera. You get that to this.
He's stinky boy.
Hi.
You smell like poo.
Emma wants to buy these sheep. And Pam just said, yep, cut them up, Christmas dinner next year.
Nuh-uh.
They're for sale,
You will be cut up for
$950
Christmas dinner if you do
for the
that.
pair.
Because look at them. They're my favourite kind of sheep. Valet French. Black nose.
Wow, your horns are warm.
My kids would love to live on a farm, but I bet they wouldn't do any of the work. If we had a farm, how would you help?
I'll just go give them lots of loaves and
That's not helping.
I'll feed them some food out of my hand as well.
That is not helping.
No, that would not help maintain a farm.
I know.
We are not getting a farm, and I would want to eat them too, Emma. Do you want a farm still?
On a farm, but you're not allowed on it. You're not allowed within a 20 kilometre monitor.
Well, if you have a farm, I won't eat your pets.
You don't eat your pets on a farm. Well, she wants to. Not your pets, yeah.
No, every animal would be a pet on her farm, as in we wouldn't be allowed to eat a single one of them.
You wouldn't be able to.
Oh, can you smell that smell? That's not pleasant.
It's a sheep.
Emma's come to the A&P show to find a moth.
It's soft. Dead. It's not very alive. I found it on the wall.
No, the definition of dead generally means not very alive.
No, it's not very alive. Dad.
Oh, you're coming right over.
Sardines in a tin. Crammed in there. No, can't even move. They are stuck. They could have opened at least 2 pens to have them in there. Oh, there is 2 pens. There's another pen filled as well. Oh, is there 3 pens crammed like that? Why didn't they open this one in front of us? They don't need to be. Look at it. Can't even move. Poor thing.
No way! That's 6!
Oh, Molly got one in.
I did quite well that round.
Oh! Holy what? Holy cornhole!
Oh,
That's a... Oh, hands on the log! 1, 2, 3!
yeah.
Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Competitors, put down your tools. Well done, guys. Can we have the biggest round of applause? That's man muscle, steel, and just pure, just testosterone out there.
There's the helicopter we just went in.
One of my favorite things about today. That was the coolest thing I've ever done.
But we're back home now.
Right here.